Archery. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm focus, a positive energy that carries through the rest of your day. Welcome to the world of morning meditation, a practice that promises just that. As the dawn breaks and the world slowly awakens, there's a unique tranquility and freshness that can be harnessed to set a positive tone for the day. Morning meditation can be your secret weapon, a tool that empowers you to face whatever the day throws at you with grace and equanimity. It's a way of centering yourself, of attuning to your inner state and cultivating a sense of peace that radiates outward. It's about setting intentions, fostering mindfulness, and harnessing positive energy. This practice can help you become more resilient, more focused, and more in tune with your emotions and responses. So, are you ready to explore the transformative power of morning meditation? Let's dive in. Before we begin, ensure you find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. A serene and peaceful environment is essential to a fruitful meditation session. It allows you to focus inward, removing any distractions that might hinder your progress toward tranquility. It could be a corner in your room, a garden, or even a quiet balcony. The key is to select a spot where your mind feels at ease, a place that feels like a safe haven from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. Now let's talk about your posture. It's crucial to sit comfortably, whether that's on a plush chair or cross-legged on a soft cushion on the floor. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. It's about finding what feels right for you. But remember, comfort should not compromise your posture. It's about striking a balance. With that said, a good posture is one where your back is straight, not rigid, just naturally upright. Think of it like a sturdy tree, standing tall yet flexible. This posture allows for a free flow of energy, making it easier for you to concentrate. Moving on, let's focus on your shoulders. Often, we carry the weight of the world on them, and they become tense without us even realizing it. So, consciously relax your shoulders. Let them drop naturally. Feel the tension melt away, replaced with a soothing sense of relief. Lastly, your hands. Rest them gently on your knees or in your lap, whichever feels more natural to you. Feel the weight of your hands, the gentle pressure they exert, grounding you in the present moment. And now, we're ready. Once you're settled, your surroundings peaceful, your body comfortable and relaxed, it's time to close your eyes gently. Let the external world fade away as you prepare to journey inward. There's a world of calm and tranquility waiting for you, just a breath away. So, let's embark on this journey together towards a brighter, more peaceful day. Once you're settled, close your eyes gently and let's prepare to journey inward. Exceed. The key to effective meditation lies in mastering your breath. In this journey of morning meditation for positive energy, your breath is a powerful tool. It's the gentle rhythm that guides you through the dance of meditation. It's the life force that ebbs and flows, just like the thoughts in your mind. Let's embark on the exploration of a simple yet profound breathing technique. This technique will help you to cultivate calmness, focus, and a sense of groundedness. It's a technique you can use not just in your meditation practice, but in any moment of your day when you need a touch of tranquility. Imagine your breath as a gentle wave. As you breathe in, visualize this wave rising slowly, filling your lungs with fresh, invigorating air. Use your nose to inhale, drawing the breath deep into your belly. Feel your abdomen rise as you do this. Now hold this breath for a moment. In this space of stillness, you might notice a sense of peace, a quiet within you. This is your inner sanctuary, a place you can always return to. Next, exhale through your mouth, letting the wave of your breath recede slowly. As you do this, imagine any tension in your body or mind being carried away. Feel a sense of release, a letting go. Repeat this process. Inhale slowly, hold, and then exhale. Each breath in is an opportunity to draw in positive energy, and each breath out is a chance to let go of anything that no longer serves you. Now that your body and mind are prepared, let's begin our morning meditation. Close your eyes if they aren't already. Allow your body to sink into the earth beneath you. Feel the solid support of the ground. You are grounded, you are safe. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and exhale. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and the warm air leaving your body. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Acknowledge the thought, and then gently guide your attention back to your breath. Remember, meditation is not about emptying your mind, but about focusing your mind. Now, as you breathe in, imagine a light, a radiant energy entering your body. This light represents positive energy. Visualize this light filling your body from your toes to your head. Feel it warming your heart, illuminating your mind, and strengthening your soul. As you breathe out, imagine the stress, the worries, the negativity leaving your body. See it as a dark cloud that gets smaller and smaller with each exhale. You are releasing all that does not serve you. Continue this process of inhaling positivity and exhaling negativity. Each breath is a step towards a more peaceful, focused, and positive you. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. It's okay if you get distracted. Be gentle with yourself. Bring your attention back to your breath when you notice you've drifted away. As you continue to breathe in the positive energy and breathe out the stress, you might notice a change within you. A sense of calm, a feeling of tranquility. Hold on to this feeling. Now, slowly begin to bring your attention back to your surroundings. Feel the ground beneath you, hear the sounds around you, but keep this sense of calm, this positive energy within you. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time to meditate, to care for your well-being. Remember, each time you meditate, you are training your mind to be more focused, more calm, and more positive. As we conclude our meditation, carry this sense of calm and positivity with you throughout your day. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and your emotions. Choose positivity. Choose peace. And remember, I'm here for you. My name's Edith, and it's been a pleasure guiding you through this morning meditation. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share to spread mental health awareness. Thank you, and have a peaceful, positive day. Like any other practice, the benefits of meditation multiply when done consistently. It's much like caring for a garden. You wouldn't water the plants once and expect them to thrive, would you? The same applies to your mind. Nourishing it daily with a morning meditation routine yields profound results over time. So, let's quickly revisit the key steps in our morning meditation routine. We start by preparing our space, ensuring it's clean, clutter-free, and conducive to calm. Next, we focus on our breathing, using techniques to slow our heart rate and clear our mind. Then, we engage in our guided morning meditation, focusing our thoughts and setting a positive tone for the day. But what does this routine do for us in the long run? Well, meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress. It does this by decreasing the production of stress hormones and increasing the release of neurotransmitters that enhance mood. The result? A calmer, more composed you, able to tackle the day's challenges with grace and resilience. Also, regular practice of meditation enhances focus. It trains your mind to concentrate on one thing at a time, helping you to be more efficient and productive in your daily tasks. It's like sharpening a pencil. The sharper it is, the better it writes. The more focused your mind, the better it thinks. And let's not forget positivity. Starting your day with meditation sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. It helps you to cultivate a more optimistic outlook, making you more resilient in the face of adversity. It's like lighting a candle in the dark. The flame may be small, but its light can fill an entire room. So, there you have it. A simple morning meditation routine that, when practiced regularly, can reduce stress, enhance focus, and increase positivity. I'm Edith, and I thank you for joining me today. Remember to subscribe and share to spread mental health awareness. And may your day be filled with peace and positivity.